Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Android version and model so you know which menus appear. This matters because paths vary. Once done, go directly to Settings, right arrow Apps and view all apps, enabling Show System Apps if prompted. Look for apps installed recently or with generic names. These are often ad injectors. You should tap one, Inspect Permissions, and force stop it to halt pop-ups now. This stops immediate interruptions while you prepare to remove the app safely. Next, uninstall or disable the suspicious apps you identified. Force stop first, then uninstall to avoid crashes. If uninstall is blocked, disable it. Revoke permissions that let ads appear over other apps, like draw over other apps, notification access, and accessibility services, because these enable persistent pop-ups. If pop-ups persist, reboot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is responsible. Once in safe mode, you can safely remove the offender. Make sure to clear browser data where ad scripts may persist. Finally, clean browsers by clearing cache, cookies, and site settings, and remove any unfamiliar browser extensions because web ads can mimic system pop-ups. Then install a trusted ad blocker or mobile antivirus from Play Store to prevent reinfection. Make sure to choose one with good reviews and updated definitions. If intrusive pop-ups continue, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. This removes persistent system-level adware. If reset fails, contact your device maker for support. That covers recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.